Mawakiri a mutongoria wa bururi na kiama kia Jubilee matongoretio ni Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, Tom Macharia, Katwa Kige na Evans Munari marakinyira igoti-ini hwaĩ waira makuite mbegega cia maratathi ma macokio mao kuri cira wa NASA uria utetetie maumirira ma githurano kinene.
Let's go. Excuse me guys.
Na thutha wa kuneana maratathi macio matinari ya marigu kuga matire na nganja ni makahota cira ucio. Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro wakiri Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi ni aroigire mari na anja ciothe cia ciuria iria cioretio maratathi-ini ma cira wa NASA.
We are confident about the answers we give. We are bullish about everything we have done, and let the case start either on Sunday or Monday, and we are ready to go.
Kuringana na maratathi macio, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni okiriire Raila Odinga ni gwikirira nganja uhotani wake, akiuga mwanya wa makiria ma kura milioni 1.4 uria amuhotire naguo uhotani wa Jubilee na abunge, magavana na maseneta aige guothe bururi-ini ni kionereria kiiganu kia uhotani wake. Wakiri Ahmed Nasir ni atitirithetie ni mehariririe wega cira-ini uyu.
The gap, as you all know, was fairly large, and we don't see really any controversy or we don't see anything really that should worry. The President's supporters should be confident that this is a case in which we have all the answers to the various questions the Honorable Prime Minister poses in his petition.
Nayo kamiti ya ABC yugite yarumireire gatiba ya bururi na mawatho mothe ma githurano gutabania githurano kinene. Hari maratathi mayo maria itwarite igoti-ini, IEBC yugite maumerera ma muhotani wa giturwa kia mutongoria wa bururi maratwarana na maria mari fomu ine iria cioikaine ta 34B iria cionanirie maumerera ma kura icigo-ini cia obunge ta uria igoti riathanite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwo ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.